Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Mr. Grable's Grade 3 math class, where we are measuring things. Yes, measurement. Page 72, 7 tens, 2 ones. Today we're going to be measuring perimeter in centimeters. Okay, so you know what measuring is. You know what centimeters are. Remember just that little fingernail? Not very long. Perimeter. Do you know what perimeter is? That would be an important word. Let's find out. Unit 4, Lesson 8, page 72, measuring perimeter in centimeters. Okay, now I'm going to give you a big hint. Here it is. Perimeter is distance around an object. Okay, so not just the length, not just the width, not just the height, but the length and the width. Okay, so here we go. We often use grid paper for this. That's the one with the squares. They don't always need it. So for example, here in our review, we have a rectangle, kind of, or maybe a rhombus on your page. You'll notice there's 4 centimeters for this length, which of course means there's got to be 4 centimeters for that length. 2 centimeters for that length, and 2 centimeters for that length. That's the perimeter. Okay, so if we were going to ask you the length, you'd say 4 centimeters. If we're going to ask you the width, you'd say 2 centimeters. But if we're going to ask you the perimeter, you have to add them all up. It's the whole distance around. Okay, so we added 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, and we got 12 centimeters of perimeter. Okay, so this is 12. Oops, that was a bad one there. 12 centimeters of perimeter for that rectangle. Okay, remember the distance around an object. Now, when you try these, they make it a little bit easier for you. At least in A, B, C number 1, they have 1 centimeter grid paper. So you don't really have to measure, you just have to count. Okay, so let's count around and see what the perimeter is. Here we go. I'd put marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so it's 14 cm, or centimeters. Okay, and then you can try B, the one that looks like a cross, and then C, the one that looks like kind of a upside down L there. Just count each spot there, each part of the square, and find the distance around. Okay, and put the perimeter with centimeters. Number 2, measure the perimeter of this shape. Oh, you know what I need? Dun, 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 dun. What do I need? I need it's back. Ooh, it's back. It's a centimeter ruler. Make sure you didn't put your centimeter ruler away, because we have to measure the distance around. Here we go, find cm. Okay, here it is. See if you can see here. Let's look down there. There it is. I'm measuring 7 centimeters for the bottom, and of course just 1 across. Now you say, hey, Mr. Grable, you only measured 2 sides. I only measured 2 sides. 7 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Well, there's 4 sides. You can't just measure 2 sides. We have to do the whole distance around. Remember? You told us. It said right here, distance around an object. Ah, but I know that the length was 2 centimeters on one side, so it must be 7 centimeters on the other side. And I know the width was 2 centimeters on one side, so it has to be 2 more centimeters on the other side. Squeezing this in here. Okay, so I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. Good thing I know to add. And 2 plus 2 is 4. And so 14 plus 4 equals your answer. Well, this has been a crazy one. 18 centimeters. That is the perimeter of that rectangle. You can do this. It's a beginning. Perimeter I know that it keeps going in grade 5 and 4 too. So get perimeter down now and you'll have fun then. Have a good day. Bye-bye.